want baby oil done, then go to the store and buy some oil, baby oil done. But it's all done. Get it? It's a joke. You know? A joke. You know? Like a joke. Like, you know? Like they're on the bench in store, but it's all done. Cause, you know? You get it? You don't get it? You get it? Oh! Yeah, we get it. We get it. We get it loud and clear. Loud and clear. Loud and clear. Loud. Get it loud and clear. Loud and clear. Loud and clear. You know? Every time. After he killed me, you know what he did? He threw me off a tree. And I was injured. Now I'm returned. I'm crazier than ever. Cause I'm crazy. Crazy. Yeah. See, Winnie the Pooh, I killed him. Yeah. I killed him. I killed all his friends. I killed Tiger and everything. And now I'm gonna kill Michael. Okay, peace.